I bought the cheapest four-wheel drive Kawasaki four-wheeler on Marketplace. It runs and drives, but it still has a couple issues. Let's see if we can fix that today. When I bought this old girl, it definitely wasn't running. It's definitely not running too good right now. Had a stuck valve, and I got it fixed, and now I'm trying to refill the coolant lines, throw the carburetors back on, and get all the plastics back together. Let's get these carburetors back on. So I've got this thing to where it'll run pretty good, like idle now, but it's still missing a little bit. Yeah, you can hear it's missing. So we're gonna order some OEM parts for these carburetors. I would rather get them put back together the right way and have the Kawasaki trail ready rather than it be half ready on the trails and get stuck somewhere.